Here. Too many onions.
Too many audience. Too many eyes.
That's okay. You could do it. You could do
Hey,
it.
don't dip it in there.
Make sure you get everything. Now,
Good job.
Put it in there. Good job. Okay. Now second one.
Come and get your spoon and your
Put
other
in
bowl.
another bowl.
Hey, look like a little song.
There's another bowl there.
He's gonna be like the little boy, like, really, Mom? Really?
Yeah.
You recording?
Hello? Everything. Yeah, mixing trend is there.
And your placemat,
And then your
Mr.
placemat.
Where's your placemat?
Wow, you have the ammo. Okay.
Is it all done? No, it's not all done.
It's okay. You can put
Okay,
it on
you
the,
can put it in
the, sink.
You put it in the sink now. Okay, now we wash.
Yay.
Good job. Good job. Mommy's so proud. Good job.
They're growing up fast.
Yeah. Questions?
We're not done with the food yet. I'm showing you that you're all done with the Hannah, you're all done with that? No? So what are you doing?
Now,
All done? Okay, you put your
dry
hands.
Try your hand.
you know how to do it.
Good job. Yay.
You know that.
Thumbs up. Huh? Good job.
No, this one, where does this go? In here.
Look at garbage. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Oh, man, huh? Look at that, huh? Let me see.
Pick up your plate. You don't get a bottle.
Big hug. Big hug.
Did you get it off?